Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So we've got a new unboxing. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Gonna have to unbox this one. Okay, and which is also I bought this on eBay, right? So I bought this on eBay and straight from China. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I think you know already the thumbnail in the already the thumbnail, right? So gonna have to check it out. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so this is a new MP3. Okay, all right. So this is a new MP3 that I have, right? Okay, and it's already we got some hi-fi digital player, colorful backlight LCD, and also Rockstar audio play. Oh, okay. So this is a clip-on. This is a clip-on MP3 player, right? So this is a clip-on MP3 player. So there you go. We got the MP3. Yeah, yeah. We got a clip-on, right? Yeah, got a clip-on. Okay, so I'm gonna have to check some accessories right over here. So we've got a USB-C, right? And also they got an earphones. Okay. Yeah, and we've got a user manual. Okay. We've got a user manual. Okay, so because I already know how to operate, so gonna have to, and then gonna have to put this one. Okay, gonna have to put this earphones. So I believe this is also a Bluetooth, right? So okay, and then hope that the MP3 is also full battery, right? So okay, gonna have to check that out. Okay, here it goes. How to on this one? Okay, how to on? I think it is M. Okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay. Okay, where's the on button over here? Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna have to check it out in the manual. Okay. Okay, so how to on this one? Okay. Number 6. Power button. Okay, there you go. Okay. So this is the power button. Okay. Okay, there you go. Yeah, alright. So it's already. Okay. Gonna have to check it out. Some features for this one. Since I am a audiophile person, and also I love listening to music. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to check this out. Okay. The time is not set yet, right? The time is not set. So okay, this is the also the next button, right? So let's go. Gonna have to you know okay, let's go. Gonna have to put that one. Okay, there you go. Okay, you see it clearly. So we've got right here is the music, video recording, picture, alarm, setting, and a folder. So that's it for the user interface, right? So let's go. Gonna have to check the settings. Okay, we've got some Bluetooth, we got some language, steering time, brightness, backlight, timer, idle shutdown, and information. Check the information, device, and also YP3 2.0.4.3. So how to go back? Okay, how to go back? All right, so I think the M. Okay, there you go. It's the M. Okay, it's the M. So I'm gonna have to go back again. So I'm gonna have to for the date and time. Okay, set the date. Okay, we've got here is okay. The date is 2026. Okay, sorry. Okay. 2026. Okay, yeah. Okay. Next is how to, yeah. Then mode. Okay, it's the mode. Okay. Month is 5. Okay. And then the mode. And then the next is what day today? Okay. It's okay. We are in 14. Okay. There you go. It's already set. And then gonna set also the time. So what time today? We've got 5:36. Right, so. Oh, sorry. Okay. Sorry for that one. I didn't see that coming. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to put it on 5:37. Okay. And then the next is I'm gonna. There you go. And then it's already set. Right? Yeah, there you go. It's 5:37. So what I need is, since I have an extra memory card, so I'm gonna have to put some music on it, right? So yes, this is the unboxing and first impression, right? So let's go check some Bluetooth. Okay, FM. Okay, radio needs to be okay. What? You hear that? Okay, it's wireless. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay again. So, yeah, it needs to, yeah, it needs to be connected, like that one. So we've got some ebook also. Yeah, you can read some ebook, but it's too small for you to read an ebook, right? All right, so yeah, there we go. So we get some alarm. Okay, so folders right here is where you can put some, yeah. So in pictures. All right, okay. So this is nice one. So I'm gonna have to so it's gonna the review is also gonna be the compare of the other generic MP3 player, right? So yeah, there you go, guys. So gonna have to put some music on it, and then also into the memory card, and then gonna have to put it that way for that moment. All right. So next is. So next is gonna be the unbox review for this one. Also gonna have to compare it also to my other, right? So the small one the small one that you are, right? So okay, yeah. All right, I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and also see you again on the next one. Okay.